All right, so now we're going to go ahead and try to tell whether a table represents direct variation. So here's the table shown on the top of page 29. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the direct variation formula, and we're going to go ahead and switch it. So we know that if we were to divide by x here, and we want to isolate our a, we would end up getting our formula to look like this. A equals y over x, and you can see that right here. Okay, so if we wanted to solve for our constant of variation, we can do that just like this. So that means if we put y over x, we can go ahead and figure out what we assume would be the constant of variation and tell whether this is direct variation or not. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we're going to do y over x, and we're going to see if it equals the same thing consistently. So our other y over x. So if this was direct variation, all of these ratios would be equal. So let's see if this can be simplified at all. 11 over 3 cannot, 14 over 4 can, but this would just end up being 7 over 2, still not equivalent. Okay, so these are not equivalent fractions, therefore this is not direct variation. You can go ahead now and take a look at the number 2 on the same page. I want you to try exactly what we just did of putting our y over our x. Just find with the constant of variation, see if they are all equivalent.